State BJP President, MLAs, workers along with DPC completed constable candidates storm MPTC Pangai, tried to disrupt recruitment rally. Welcome to ISTV News, now the news in detail. A large number of BJP workers and DPC completed candidates of Manipur Police Constable 2013 batch led by State BJP President KSS Bhavananda and two BJP MLAs, TS Biswajit and KH Joykishan, today stormed the Manipur Police Training College MPTC at Pangai in an attempt to disrupt the recruitment test for police constables at the MPTC. It may be mentioned that the fresh constable recruitment is being held amidst the mounting pressure of the old Manipur DPC completed constable candidates 2013 batch not to conduct the recruitment test. The recruitment is being held after the government cancelled the 2013 DPC for recruitment of male police constables. The security personnel at MPTC fired several rounds of tear gas shells to disperse the protesters who were storming the MPTC gate.
We came over here for justice. Government has to do justice.
On the other hand, MLA KH Joykishan and MLA TS Biswajit were picked up by police from the protest site and detained at Imphal East Police Station. In the meantime, police triggered mock bombs and dispersed the sit-in demonstration staged by the BJP workers and DPC completed constable candidates in front of the MPTC gate protesting the fresh constable recruitment rally. On the other hand, recruitment rally for male police constables still continued amidst the disturbances outside the Manipur Police Training College at Pangai. According to reports received by the ISTV News, candidates from far-off places, particularly from Churachandpur, were picked up and brought to Imphal, who were later dropped at MPTC by police personnel. Meanwhile, representatives of BJP state unit submitted a memorandum to the governor of Manipur to stop the ongoing recruitment rally of police constables at Manipur Police Training College at Pangai. The memorandum was submitted through the secretary to the governor at Raj Bhavan after the representatives of BJP led by President KSS Bhavananda came in a procession from the party office to the Raj Bhavan. However, the BJP team led by its president could not meet the governor as she is in Delhi at the moment. Talking to media persons, President Bhavananda alleged that the government is just trying to collect money for the ensuing election by conducting several recruitments to different posts in the government departments. He said the party will not urge the government to release the BJP MLAs from detention by police. The party will rather take out a mass procession from the party office tomorrow, he warned.
Recruitment is a good thing. I believe recruitment is a lady will let Kuna Mayam to the Laga, so you know, I am do Muhalalu, I believe.
ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯔꯤꯀ꯭ꯔꯨꯠꯃꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ
ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯕꯗꯤ ꯀꯩ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯣꯏꯅꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯁꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯇꯥꯕ
ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯦꯞꯈꯤꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯂꯦꯞꯈꯤꯔꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯐꯥꯎꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯐꯥꯎꯗ ꯔꯤꯀ꯭ꯔꯨꯠꯃꯦꯟꯁꯦ ꯊꯤꯡꯗ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟ ꯇꯧꯒꯦꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯈꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯇꯧꯒꯅꯤ
ꯉꯁꯤꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯗ
ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯐꯥꯎꯗꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯝ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯇꯨꯝꯗꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯍꯧꯗꯣꯛꯄꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯋꯥꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯈꯔꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯈꯔꯗꯤ ꯇꯧꯒꯅꯤ
ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯦ ꯔꯤꯀ꯭ꯔꯨꯠꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯆꯠꯊꯔꯤꯌꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯦ
ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯆꯠꯊꯁꯨ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯆꯠꯊꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ
ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯑꯦꯝ ꯑꯦꯜ ꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯗꯤꯇꯦꯜ ꯊꯝꯃꯤꯁꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ
ꯗꯤꯇꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯦꯔꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯑꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯐꯥꯔ ꯊꯝꯖꯁꯨ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯀꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯥꯗꯧꯒꯦ
The 24-hour Imphal East District Ban called by all Manipur DPC completed candidates of Manipur Police Constable Mel 2013 batch has affected some parts of the district today. Suspected Ban supporters were seen blocking passes of vehicles in some areas of the district. Meanwhile, police were on high alert to prevent occurrence of any unwanted incident during the 24-hour ban in Imphal East District today. One-day free health camp organized by the Manipur University Students' Union in association with the Health Center of the MU was held at the Health Center on the campus of the university today. The health camp was organized under the supervision of the Manipur University Community Development Cell, Directorate of Health Services, Directorate of Ayush and Red Cross Society. President of MUSU, Manglemton Meitei, Dean of Students Welfare Professor N. Mohilal Meitei, and many others took part in the inaugural function of the health camp. MLA of Sero Assembly constituency, K. Ranjit, has said that efforts are being made to make the constituency green. He said this while talking to media persons at the sideline of tree plantation program held at Burma Sugnu Road today. Volunteers planted many tree saplings on the roadsides of Waikong to Sero in the constituency. Thousands of tree saplings were planted since 2013 under the supervision of MLA K. Ranjit. Showing solidarity to the initiative taken up by the MLA, many students, elderly people and residents of the constituency took part in the tree plantation program. MLA K. Ranjit further said, the initiative for planting trees in the constituency has been taken up with the objective of protecting the ecological balance of the world to a certain extent. Similar tree plantation programs were held at 4 gram panchayats of the constituency. The tree saplings thus planted were given by the Forest Department. The MLA vowed to achieve the target of making the constituency green one day.
ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝꯁꯦ ꯁꯨꯒꯅꯨ ꯀꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯁꯦ ꯑꯁꯪ ꯑꯃꯥꯟꯅ ꯊꯟꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯤꯅꯔꯤ ꯀꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯟꯁꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯃꯥꯂꯦꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯏꯪ ꯑꯁꯥꯁꯦ ꯈꯔꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯕꯁꯨ ꯈꯖꯤꯛꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯕꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯀꯟꯕ ꯉꯝꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟꯗ ꯆꯠꯊꯖꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤ.
Mayor of Imphal Municipal Corporation S. Sunil has said that the corporation and the people have been facing a lot of inconveniences as there is no suitable garbage dumping site. He said this while addressing a press meet at the IMC complex today. Chairperson of IMC for Sanitary M. Joy, AE Menka and other officials of IMC were also present at the press meet. Mayor S. Sunil further said efforts are being made to ease the difficulty of the people due to unavailability of suitable dumping site for both IMC and the public.
कोई दम साइड की अवाबसी कोई तारीख कुनिपान कुमापन दगे कोई ngasi bu कोई दम साइड से हमना वाबा प्रेशर अमद लेरी अदबो सिटी नान बगी थबक सिकी चंगजलप मतम सिदा कोई दम साइड से am maru ओइबा हाइता अदबो मतम मतम गी ngang ha की दम साइड से कोई थीबा यामना अवाबा यामना कना करी हदे कंडीशन यामना इन पैना पैसा की इन्वॉल्वमेंट खतकी नतबा.
Councillor of IMC Ward number 22, Nongmaithem Kumudini, today inaugurated the newly constructed Maida shed of Wangkai Kunau Development Committee near Wangkai Kunau War Cemetery. The Maida shed was constructed under the funding of the local area development fund of MLA Y. Irabot. Many Maida Paibis and residents of Wangkai Kunau were also present at the inaugural function there. Import and export activities at gate number 2 of border town Moreh were stopped by irate laborers of Manipur, India for some time today. However, authorities of the two countries, India and Myanmar, resolved the issue after talks. It is reported that the issue erupted following the ban of importing many items from Myanmar to India by the authority of Myanmar. It may be recalled that in the past, Such type of tension also happened on account of imposition of ban in importing items to India by Myanmar authorities. In Churachandpur, as part of Tribal Unity Day, a peace procession was taken out by a large number of people. The procession started from Sisipur College and passed through various places in Sisipur town. A total of 400 selected labourers from Kairao Assembly constituency were today distributed labour certificates and labour cards at the house of M.I. Khan, who is the advisor to KKMMDO, Kairao. Talking to media persons, M.I. Khan said 80% of the people in Manipur rely on daily wage labours. He said the labourers in Manipur has remained deprived of the benefits provided by the centre through different schemes, as the Labour Department has failed to disseminate the information of such schemes to the people.
Aonba Manipur ama langnaba honabada aonba system adu chatnaraba matam data Manipur da sinmi singi hak phangani maram asina aikhoi sinmi gi masingna sang wangkhalakliba Manipur gumba lamdam asidadi sinmi singi isagi daita isagi hak isagi phangkhom thokpa isana tawgudaba thabak mayam se ekhoi khangminasi phangminasi longminasi.
The headlines once again. State BJP President, MLAs, workers along with DPC completed constable candidates storm MPTC Pangai tried to disrupt recruitment rally. That's all for now and keep watching ISTV News Update.